Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to get stickers on your iPhone keyboard. So if you're on your iMessage and you want to see the sticker icon, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up a message where you want to send the sticker. On your keyboard here, you want to go ahead and tap on the emoji icon, which looks like this. This will now show you all the emojis. However, down below, we're looking for the sticker icon. The sticker icon looks like a circle with a flap. So go ahead and tap on this. Once you tap on it, you'll see all your stickers. From here, you can go ahead and select what you like and send it off to your contacts. Now, for those of you who cannot see the sticker icon, to get it, go ahead and tap on Settings. Scroll down until you see General. Scroll down until you see Keyboard. Now from here, you want to go ahead and tap on Keyboards, and you want to make sure emoji icon has been added to your keyboards. Now you want to go back and scroll all the way down and then make sure sticker icon has been enabled in the emoji section. Once those two settings are enabled, you'll see your sticker icon here on the keyboard. So there you go guys, that is how to get the stickers keyboard on your iPhone.